Cross Island Parkway. You're tied up there southbound at Northern Boulevard with a collision blocking the right lane. The delays go back toward Bell Boulevard, the Gowanus eastbound. No blockages here, just some slow-moving traffic starting at the Prospect Verge. It stays that way up to the BQE. Route 17 northbound. Watch for a disabled bus that sits in the left lane near Route 4 in Paramus. Heavy traffic through that area. And here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. Queens Midtown and Brooklyn Battery tunnels, both with two-way traffic through one tube until about 5:30 on Monday morning. Queens Midtown tunnel, the backups extend out toward Greenpoint Avenue. The Bayonne Bridge, it's going to be shut down in both directions until 10 tonight. That is due to construction, and alternate side rules are in effect. Your next traffic and transit update in less than 10 minutes. The next breaking traffic alert when it happens. I'm Bernie Wagenblast on 1010 Wins.
Crosstown, the new musical, is now a New York Times Critics Pick. AM New York has it as a combination of Jersey Boys and West Side Story. Crosstown, Broadway's new hit musical. Get your tickets today at telegeorge.com.
Wins news time 11:32. Now the official 1010 Wins AccuWeather 4-day forecast. And you'd better hang on to your winter coat. Here's meteorologist Brian Thompson with this live report.
And on it's a cold day. It is also pretty windy as well. Winds gusting up to around 30 miles per hour right now. Could see some gusts as high as 40 miles per hour as we head into the afternoon. And lots of sunshine and some clouds, a high of 31, but active with the real field temperatures again with single digits in June thanks to the wind. Brisk and very cold tonight under a clear sky, low 15 in the city, but single digits in some outlying suburbs. So a cold start to the day tomorrow. It'll still be a cold day. A brisk winds tomorrow with sunshine, a high of 36. But we start to turn the tide again Monday and Tuesday. We'll start to see the milder weather return, 48 with clouds and some sun on Monday. That clouds and a couple of showers and a warmer day Tuesday, high back up close to 60. Right now it's partly sunny and 26 degrees. In Midtown, we're going up to 31. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Brian Thompson on New York's weather station, 1010 Wins.
Scores of threats made against Jewish community centers nationwide, and more details now about this week's arrest. That story is just ahead. Wins news time 11:33. Do you have a drive and desire to help mold young minds? Then work toward your teaching degree from Mercy College, a top college in New York for shaping the next generation, according to onlinecollegesdatabase.org. Many of their graduates, like Daniela Tampio and Gianfranco Bastone, have gone on to rewarding careers as teachers and administrators in New York State public schools. Learn more at their graduate open house, March 8th, at any of their campuses. Mercy College, where students become teachers. Go to mercy.edu/WINS.
Real New Yorkers know the best way to get through winter, keeping busy. You can get out and do something fun without letting the cold get in your way when you park with Spot Hero. With the free Spot Hero app, you can guarantee parking right next to where you're going, so there's no walking around in the wind and snow. You'll get a great rate and an extra $10 off your first parking spot with promo code SPOT. That's promo code SPOT. Download Spot Hero, type in your destination, and pick the perfect spot. It'll be reserved and waiting for you when you get there. Spot Hero, winter parking saved.
Wins news time 11:34. The former journalist accused of making threats against at least 8 Jewish community centers appeared in federal court in St. Louis yesterday to face a charge of cyber stalking. Ron Thompson allegedly made the call to harass and frame a former girlfriend. Thompson's stepfather says the couple stormed their house this week, taking a young child.